gosh, I just fell on camera. That's so funny. Okay, so this is basically simple. This is a long story short, I was trying to be all cute, right? I need my water because, you know, I'm talking a lot. Whatever. I put that bottle on my bed. It fell and all the water got on the floor. So I mopped it. I grabbed napkins and stuff. And I guess in this little part that I'm standing on, it did not dry well. So you just seen Aaliyah take a tumble. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Aaliyah. Before we get started on this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Now today we'll be talking about everything for Instagram hacks and what I use, because a lot of people have been DMing me on my stories asking me what I do and stuff like that. I have 3 major apps that I use, maybe 4, I forgot. But some of them will be a subscription based and some of them will be absolutely free. So if you want to learn how to edit your Instagram and stuff like that, just keep on watching. So the first app that we're going to use is Lightroom. Lightroom is pretty much, it has to do a lot with presets and like basically like a theme for your Instagram. So I used to have a theme. I went through like 10,000 themes because I just can't pick one. I always like change. So I stopped using a theme. But for those who love themes, Lightroom is the one for you. I believe it's free. Yeah, I don't think I paid for this. So the way that I got the themes was I went on Pinterest and I put in themes for Instagram, Lightroom, and a whole bunch of themes will pop up. They have tan, they have gray and black. They have so many different themes that you can choose from, and you necessarily don't have to download it. They just show you how to mess with like the saturation, the lighting, and all of that. So that's what I personally did. So the ones that I'm going to show you right now is ones that I already purchased, or I just messed with the settings myself. So we're going to go with this one. This one I already edited it, so we're just going to undo everything. So that's the original picture. So I'm going to go on presets, and as you can see I have like about 30 presets because I'm constantly changing stuff. So I'm just going to pick one that really brings... Oh, I like that one. Yeah, I like that one because it makes the black kind of stick together, because you can tell there's 2 different blacks. So I'm just going to press OK, and it's, as you can see, it has like kind of a blue tint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on color, and I'm just going to move that a little closer to the blue just to cancel that out. You can do details, you can sharpen the image if you would like. What else do I use? I use the light, so this is like exposure. You can do contrast as well. You can also mess with the highlight settings. So I'm going to, no, the whites are too much. So I definitely want to focus on the blacks, so I'm going to put the blacks all the way down. And I'm going to press OK. So then right now you can see this is the before and this is the after. So I really like the way this came out actually. Oh wow. I think I'm going to have to export this. Okay, we're going to export it. So this app that I use is called UNUM. Well, that's how I say it. It's UNUM. So it's basically a Instagram page kind of app, and you can connect your Instagram page on it. And what it does is, let's say the image that I just created, I want to make sure that it connects and it matches the rest of my photos. So it will insert all of your current photos that you have on Instagram, and plus you are able to add images that you have not posted yet. You can also schedule on here as well. This is like a really great tool for that, and for especially if you have a theme on your Instagram. So we're just going to put in that picture that we just edited. So as you see, it's right here, and if I want to add more images, I can. But we're going to delete that because, yeah. Alright, so there it goes. The only thing with this app is that it does not take the videos that you have on Instagram, like the reels and stuff. So this is a reel that I have, and it always puts it last. I actually posted this right after this image. So this is how my current feed looks. So as you can see, it kind of matches with the black and white theme. But UNUM is really useful, especially if you have a theme. I really recommend it. It just organizes things really good and stuff like that. So the next thing we're gonna go to is Canva. Canva is where I do my YouTube thumbnails. I used to do my Instagram stories on here as well, my Instagram posts for my business and things like that. Like if you're a person who likes to make your own quotes, this is such a great tool to use. Canva is also free, but if you want to unlock certain elements and stuff, you do have to pay. But I think it's like 12 bucks. I unsubscribed because I have another tool that is more helpful, and I'll get to that in just a minute. But Canva. So Canva, I use this for, like I said, my YouTube and stuff, but mainly for my Instagram highlights. On my Instagram, I have my highlights. I sometimes do icons and things like that. If you love all icons on your highlights, this is the app for you. I really don't do icons, but on some I do. So, for example, we're gonna go search up the Instagram post, and I'm gonna leave it blank. So we're gonna go to elements. Elements is where you can put any icon that you want the name of it, and it will pop up. So let's say I want to go on get the Instagram logo. So we can click that. And if you have a theme on your page, this is good as well because you get to change the color of the icon. So my Instagram is usually like gray, black, and white, and a little bit of tan. So I changed it to gray. So we're going to download that. And I'm just going to go on my Instagram really quick. And let's say I want to go on my journey and I want to change that. So I'm going to edit the highlight, edit cover, and I'm just going to put that on the highlight. Save it, and then that will be it. So they have a whole bunch of different icons that you can use. And before we do anything else, I want to show you guys the Instagram kind of hack that I do for my story. So for my story, let's say if I want to share an image, but I don't like the plain background, so I put my own image from my camera roll on there. So let's say if I want to put this on my story, right? So then I'll go to this tool and I'll press this little like a picture thing right here. So I click that and your camera roll will pop up. So let's say we're just going to use this. So we will blow that up so it matches, and we're going to leave like a little tiny bit of space so we can click on the shared post. Now you see how it's like it has like the little gray part on it. You always want it to match, so you're going to get this little tool right here, the eyedropper. You're going to click the background of the image that you're posting, and you're going to hold it down, and it's going to basically put it together so it won't be noticeable that it's not fully covering the background. And that's all. And I usually put like, you know, cute music on there. I put new post. So that's what I do for my new post kind of Instagram story feed thing. So the next app that we're going to use is Mojo. Now Mojo, you do have to pay. I paid the money because I'm a content creator. I love creating content on it. So this is really good for new post stories, just a whole bunch. You could do so much with it. The minimal category is free, so you can use that and play with that, but if you do want to unlock other elements, you do have to pay for this one. So we're just going to do this little minimal right here. So I'm going to click the image that we use on Lightroom. I'm going to click that, and let's see, we can pick this image right here. So you can do this. They have a ton of different fonts and stuff like that you can use. So let's click this one. Okay. So you see how it just like unfolds, which is really cool, and I think it's really animated, and it helps your audience engage more with your content and stuff like that. Sorry guys, my camera was full, so we'll go back to the Mojo app right now. So the post that I created, the new post one, I'm just going to save it, and then it gives you the option to share on your Instagram story right away. So I'm going to click that, and it automatically goes over there. So what I like to do to make the Instagram story more interactive and stuff like that is putting music. You could put word music, or I like to do instrumental, just because I personally think that having the lyrics and stuff might lose the focus of your actual post. This is how I do I promote my new videos for YouTube. So I can show you right now. I already have like a whole bunch done because I've just been testing waters and stuff. So for example, this one, it says link in bio, subscribe. It has a subscribe button. You can add a spot where you put your actual name on your YouTube and stuff. So I can show you that right now. So I'm going to press that plus button. I'm going to go to text, and let's say we can go to social. So I'm going to look for the YouTube thing, and I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to put my YouTube name on here, and I'm going to put it under there. And that's literally it. Like, it's so simple and such an easy app to use. Like, at first you're like really overwhelmed with everything because you're like, how do I do this and blah blah blah. But when you start like doing little things and just messing around with it, you will get the hang of it. So yeah, so then the subscribe pops up, the link in bio, and my name, and also that you can automatically post it onto your Instagram story. And again, I like to put like really nice music on there, music that is like currently like on the top charts and stuff like that people love and like. So yeah, that is like literally my favorite app for right now. And one thing I am gonna tell you guys now, I know this is how I edit my Instagram kind of thing, but I'm gonna give you a tip on this Mojo app. This Mojo app is where I currently made my new intro video. They have a template for intro titles. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So let's just go with this one. This is not really like my kind of theme, but you know what? My boyfriend is. So he has a Twitch, so we're gonna edit this. So we can delete this element, and we're gonna put his name here, his Twitch name. And since this is not YouTube, we can put his Twitch name, which it will be right here. So then we're going to go back to social and look for the little Twitch icon. We're going to use this one. And I was putting my name. I forgot this was for him. Okay, next dimension. 18. So then this is literally how you can do intros on here too, like not only for Twitch but for YouTube. That's literally how I did my own new YouTube intro, which it was simple, quick, and easy. You can change the color of the background. You could literally change everything from the colors and make it your own. This is something I definitely recommend because I know how hard it is to do YouTube intros and stuff, but Mojo is kind of one of the most recent apps that is kind of advanced, but the other ones you can literally get your feet wet with them and try it out, and you can learn different things. Canva also has the animated stories, which you can test waters with that before getting this one. But I think all of those apps that I mentioned are really good if you're just starting a YouTube channel or just getting more active on social media, on Instagram and stuff like that. It's such a great way to get your content going and getting your audience engaged and making cool graphics. So this is the end of the video. That's literally all I have for you guys. That's all I personally use. I know there's a ton more out there, so if you know some, help a girl out. Make sure you comment down below some of the things that you know, and if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and DM me. My DM is always open to you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want me to do more videos like this, let me know. But in the meantime, check out my other videos. Bye!